Hey guys, so you guys want to get a beta key for Valorant? There's a bunch of videos out there on YouTube on how to get Valorant for free, and there's easy ways on how to do it. Getting a Valorant key is super hard, and you've been watching over the past 2 weeks and you still haven't got a key. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a Valorant key within your first day or even the first week of you just watching Twitch streams. If you have multiple windows up, watching the same Twitch stream that says free drops and watching different streams, that actually does not work. You guys are new, you guys never signed up for a Riot account, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to sign up for a Riot account. You want to come to this website, beta.valorantplay.com, and you guys want to go ahead and make and sign up an account for Valorant. And you guys want to go ahead and go over here to your guys' right corner to your guys' profile, and you guys want to go to your guys' settings over the right where the profile says, and go to connections. You guys want to scroll down until you guys have this Riot Games thing, and make sure that is connected to your guys' Riot Game account. So now you guys want to come here to twitch.tv, come over here to where it says Valorant closed beta, to the browse section, and obviously Valorant's the #1, and it says offers and game drops. Go ahead and click on that. If you guys have the Twitch stream muted here, right here, your chances of getting Valorant is not gonna be so likely, so you guys want to have it at least all the way up or like somewhere tad bit down. But if you guys don't want to hear that in the background, you guys can go ahead and right click it from here on the very top and just press mute tab, and you guys will still have the volume all the way up. And it's fine to have your guys' Twitch stream minimized, that's fine, or you guys can have it windowed, that's fine, or on a different screen, that's fine. You still be able to get Valorant. Here's a article from like GameSpot.com, and it says how long do I need to watch Valorant streams to get a beta key? According to Riot, you only need roughly 2 hours to stream. I got it within 1 day. Some people got it within 1 week. Some people still don't have it. They're still waiting on it. They still got 3 weeks to go and they still don't have a drop. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you guys have any help, any issues on how to get the Twitch drop even any faster, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll go ahead and respond to you guys as soon as I get there. And yeah, so if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. And this has been your boy Deteki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.